They going again. Oh, there they go, there they go. Woo! What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking with me today. So the video you about to watch was basically with some cats from Dallas and some cats versus Houston from Houston. So basically it was Dallas versus Houston. And I didn't get some of the big races, you know, that was going to be happening, but I did get, you know, just some content. And basically I forgot to freaking film an intro to the video, man. I was so excited because so my boy Jack B. Quick came down here. We've been trying to, you know, link up. And he was finally here, so I was just excited about the whole thing, man, the whole event. So I forgot to record the intro. So this is the intro. I'm sorry y'all got to get it this way. But he was here. Man Hold Up was here. A Slow R1 was here. There's another guy on the HP4. I forget his name. It was a lot of people. This is my first time really on the racing scene. So I'm not familiar with everybody. You know, Warren G was there. So yeah, you know, I try to get everybody named if I can. If I did, man, none personal. I just probably don't know who you are. You know, I just know Instagram, don't know YouTube, whatever case may be. If you see somebody in this video, man, just tag them, share, whatever case may be. So anyway, yeah, they came down and did some runs, man, and that was my first experience with it, guys. And I'm just gonna let y'all watch the video and then come back and give y'all just my thoughts of everything. So y'all just enjoy this, man, and I'll come talk to y'all at the video.
Oh, my boy Trey? Yeah. Oh, what's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Q.
Man? Nice to meet you, brother.
What's your name?
Raphael.
Raphael, nice to meet you. Yeah. Ooh, that boy got the raw spot out this bit. What you on, bro? Oh, you on the Z? Oh, yeah, you on the ZX10. That's right.
The now ZX10.
Yeah. Yeah, that boy Jack B. Quit out this bit. Check this joint out, man. Bro, how you get your wheels so clean, bro? Yeah, you see it.
Well, those are the forged wheels, so they already have that matte finish.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, these are your the cast wheels, so they just got that gloss finish. Clean. You? Yeah, bro, I'm here. Cute. Yeah. Oh, do you? Hey, boy, when I first got this wheel, it was snug. I lost a few pounds now. But, boy, hey, I was riding one day. This boy just busted open, G. Swear to God, man. This boy just busted open.
Well, that's good. It's always a lot to lose some weight.
Yeah, I had to get in there. You know, I'm trying to race. I got to take a few pounds off of, man, when I'm trying to race some people. Yeah, but anyway, this boy Jack B. Quick, man. I don't know if am I recording, bro? Am I recording?
Yeah,
all right. So my boy Jack B. Quick, man. So y'all already seen him in a few shout-out videos. That's Frostbite. He ain't got the 2020 here with him.
But there's one here.
Yeah, I see that. There's one here. So we ain't got one here. Yeah, this boy is clean, though. Dang, this is clean. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I want one. Dang. I don't know why they didn't make the triple tree black from the jump. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know, now it's black. So.
Once you leave,
He still got stock exhaust on and everything.
wheels, man. Real system.
Oh, he do got carbon wheels on here. Ooh, he sure do. Dang. Yeah.
I haven't put anything out on it yet.
Right. Oh, you already got the fender eliminate on that joint. Yeah. Oh yeah, boy. Ooh, this boy is pretty, boy. Yeah. So you got Warren G, got his ZX10, full of SC Project exhaust on it. Okay. You got my boy Trey on the Haysbusa. He finally got the tinted visor on this joint. Yeah. What's up, bro? Q.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you man, hold up, huh?
Yes, sir.
Boy, you fool, boy. Boy, you have me rolling. You, sir, is a clown, bro. But hey, like you said, you just speaking what everybody else thinking, though. You just saying the truth.
You know what I'm saying? I just be talking.
Yeah, you just bro. Yeah. You just got in?
Yeah. I did. I woke up at like 3.
Damn. Yeah. This been clean. What year is it?
3.5 hours.
Ooh. 17. This been clean, man. He got to stretch. Yeah. Hey, this a Michelin Power S on this joint? Yeah, I actually just ordered one, bro. So I just got my bike like a few months ago. The shop put a 180 on there. It's a Q4, but they put a 180.
Damn.
Yeah, so I actually just ordered a 200 the other day. So yeah, I got one of them joints coming, but I ain't anyway though. I'm just here to spectate today. Shit. You feel me? But I'll let you get to it, bro. I know you was a little. Yeah, clean. All right. Oh, you see, that's the race MR12, race and fuel. Yeah. All right, guys. So we about to actually go out right now. There's still a few people got to come out, but they about to actually go do a quick run. So we just about to ride with them and see what's popping. Yeah. So I'm definitely not racing with these cats, man. Boy, he got carbon wheels on that joint, man. That's too clean, boy. Yeah, man. So you can tell these boys got the stretch swing arms. Jack on the stock wheelbase. Stock wheelbase. I don't know if he running, but yeah. Yes, sir. Let's go. So you got your boy Jack Be Quick right here in front of me, man. Came out from Haysbusa. Y'all make sure y'all go get his page to follow, man. Go check him out. YouTube and Instagram page. I'm gonna put it up there for y'all. See, in the description. Got my boy Trey behind me. All right, guys, these boys about to get it. This is my first time coming down here. These dudes do this quite a bit. They turned on the GoPros. Got Jack right now about to race Warren G. I think Jack got him. Oh, is okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's ZX10R, baby. These boys is flying, G. Yeah, buddy. They going again. Oh, yes, sir. Damn. That, sir, is insane. That is insane, bro. You want to go? Second. Yeah, that 2020 came. Got me. Oh, all right, 2020 fast, bro. Yeah, they about to go. I think they doing a three-way. Will we flag it? Oh, there they go, there they go. Woo! Oh, yes, sir.
And we say bye-bye.
Yeah, that boy gone. So he just ate, boy. I'm out here getting them views. Yeah, that's hilarious. Man, I'm out here taking L left and right. Oh, we got another one. Uh-oh, there they go. Woo! R1! R1! Woo! They fly. I think he would have got him on top of him, though. Oh, they about to go right now. There they go. Oh, there they go. Woo! That's crazy, bro. Hey, the whole group took off. Yeah. Yeah. Them boys is moving, bro. Oh, they got 3. All right, we got Jack. Woo. Hey, you want to go? Yeah. He popped the wheelie on that bitch. Yeah, he popped the wheelie. I'm gonna run him again. Hey, go again? Yeah, all right. Yeah, I got it. We gonna go again though. Yeah, I saw. I gotta run that back. I think he missed a gear. Oh, hold up. Yeah, he wants you to hold it, go. Woo! Yeah. Them boys is getting it, boy. Woo! They lying. Oh, they all about to get it. I'm about to just hop in on the back. Boys is rolling, boy. Bro, you saw that ZX14 hop me down? That's fast. Woo, that just eating. Good. Woo! That boy got loose on 2020. Oh, shit. God. That boy ate me, boy. Woo! Woo! God! Woo! Oh, here they go, here they go. Woo! Woo! Hey, that BMW going that CS14, bro.
Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed that content, man. You can see these dudes' bikes. So me and my boy Malik Spikes, we was talking. And just the fact of how dialed in these dudes' bikes are, they dialed in for one. They look top-notch, amazing, clean, polished, no stains on them, you know what I'm saying? Of course, Jack B. Quick, he was here. Y'all saw him. Asshole showed up, man. I think I got a 1 or 2 of his races. And who else, man? Tiger was there, that whole Tiger versus Slow R1 thing. I didn't get that, but that was during this event. But yeah, man, I ain't never experienced nothing like that, guys. Like, motorcycles are already fast, right? These guys are ridiculously fast. And when I was talking to Jack, he like, there's even people faster, you know? And which is kind of insane. So that's why the whole time the video, y'all hear me screaming like a little kid on Christmas. Whoa, whoa. Like, you see it in the video is one thing. Seeing it in person, guys, I'm telling you, it's not the same. Trust me, it is not the same, man. But just to see all the bikes dialed in and how they looked and how sharp they look. And man, MR12 race fuel, you smelt that everywhere, dude. It smell like fingernail polish. That's all it smelled like. My boy Spikes was like, man, somebody putting on nail polish somewhere out here? Because you just smelled race fuel, man. And yeah, I just, that was, to me, man, it was an adrenaline rush. Y'all saw my races in there, guys. My bike is stock. I'm 290 plus pounds. You know, I just like to have fun. But I'm a competitive person, so if you challenge me, I'm going to run it. I ain't going to back down, you know. I mean, I do want to make a bike a little fast. I'm definitely going to flash it. Maybe tune it, who knows. I'm not going to stretch or anything like that. 'Cause I like to hit the twisties. I like to be out there on the back road. So, yeah, man, that was the experience, man. Jack and man, hold up. You know, we hung out afterwards when we got something to eat, man. They super cool dudes. The thing I appreciate the most, the people you see on social media, the videos they post, and they're the same people. They're the same exact people on social media, off social media. So I appreciate that, man. So I hope they enjoyed coming out and kicking with me, man. But they were super cool dudes, bro. Everybody was cool. It was fun. Who else I met? I don't even know, man. I met a lot of people, man. Overall, the event was cool. And they actually went back Sunday and raced again with some other cats. Jack and did. And I didn't go to that when I went out to the twisties. And actually, my BMW is now down. We're going to talk about that. I'm okay. You know, I didn't get hurt or anything. I didn't go down. But the BMW is down. So there's going to be another video coming. Headache. Anyway, that's all I got, man. I'll catch y'all next week. Have a blessed day. Peace.